is going to be how to make chile rellenos. Well, more like how I make my chile rellenos. Everybody makes them different, but so yeah, so that's what today's video is going to be about. And I already have my comal already heated up for my chile. What you want to do is make sure that your chiles are washed, which aka what are these called in English? Poblano peppers, right? So after they're washed, we're going to place them on our comal until they are roasting. All right, so now we're going to put our chiles in this bowl, just so they can just pretty much, well, I like to let them cool down for a little bit because they are hot. And as well, it makes it easier to peel them. So I'm just going to place a plate over the bowl just so they can steam a little bit, and that takes about maybe between 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're able to peel them with our napkin. Okay, so now we're just going to add a little bit of salt and as well as pepper. Okay, and all that's in here is just some sliced onions, a piece of garlic, and some tomato soup as well as tomato puree. And we're just gonna let it pretty much just let that simmer for a little bit, and I have it on like medium low. And then all we're doing here is grabbing our napkin, and we're just going to lightly take off the skin of the chile. And as you can see, it starts peeling off. So you want to do this with all your chiles. And then we're going to cut it open. And it's still kind of hot, as you can tell. So you can leave the seeds in if you like, if you want a spicier chile. But as for me and my hubby, we don't like it too spicy. So I'm going to be cutting off the seed head in here. And that's the spicy part, so we don't want that in there. And then there'll be more seeds in there. Just what we don't want to do is wash it. You can wait till it cools down a little bit more, just because it looks pretty darn hot and I do not want to burn my fingers. But so all you're going to want to do is take out the rest of the seeds in there. But like I said, if you want it spicier, you can leave them in there as you like. Now we're going to want to stuff our pepper here. So I'm going to be using shredded mozzarella cheese. Now here you can add anything you like. You can add meat to your chile. You can add ground beef. You can add just pretty much anything you want, because this is a stuffed bell pepper or poblano pepper. So yeah, but here I'm just going to be using mozzarella cheese. We're just gonna stuff it. I like a lot of cheese on mine. All right, now finally moving on to our eggs. So here I'm going to have 2 sets of bowls, just because I'm going to put in the egg whites and the yolk on one bowl. That's because we're going to be blending it all well together. My chiles in there. Okay. just going to mix it around. Now we want to dip our chiles into our eggs here, and then we're going to fry them. Okay, now for this part, you see how like this egg white is not really getting fried. So you're just going to grab a spoon and just simply put oil on it so it can cook. Alright, so I'm going to take a bite with you guys. See how it tastes. Oh my god, this looks so good. So good. It's a little bit spicy, but it's okay. I love it like that. Not too spicy, but it's good. Okay, one more bite. So good. You need to try this recipe. Let me know. And if you have any questions, leave them on the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer any kind of questions you have. And so yeah, so I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Thanks.